Good morning, class. People are also submissive in nature. They are supposed to have keen interest in music and painting. They cry too often. They need to learn cooking, doing household chores, and tidying up the house. Boys are supposed to be aggressive and naughty. They are supposed to have keen interest in adventurous sports and outdoor sports. Boys should not cry because crying is a sign of weakness. When a boy becomes adult, he is supposed to earn money to bring the back on at home. ये माना जाता है कि लड़कियां अधिकतर रोती हैं, लड़के बहादुर होते हैं, लड़के कभी नहीं रोते हैं। लड़के हमेशा स्पोर्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं, लड़कियां स्पोर्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट नहीं लेती हैं। लड़कियों का काम है घर का काम करना। ये ऐसी प्रेजुडिस हमारे यहाँ बहुत समय से चली आ रही हैं। Gender bias stereotypes are often portrayed in films, advertisements, and TV serials. Almost all the advertisements related to the detergent, washing machine, dishwasher, etc. So a woman as the main protagonist. On the other hand, all the stunts shown in bike advertisement is performed by the ferocious-looking man. We have also seen in our televisions who are creating a discrimination in our society. They are responsible for it directly or indirectly. Whenever there is a advertisement of the Vim bar and other things, household work, then the ladies are supposed to be there doing all the things. And when there will be any hero like scene, all the gents will do it on bike and car like that. So the present media is also creating a difference and discrimination between the uh, boy and girl in the society. They are also responsible for that. Apart from gender based stereotype, we also see stereotype based on religion, caste, and place of origin. How? Look here. When someone acts on the basis of prejudices, the act may result in discrimination. Debarring someone from certain facilities only because of difference in religion, gender, caste, or regional origin is called discrimination. Following are some example of discrimination. किसी आदमी को कोई साथ गलत व्यवहार करना या किसी काम को करने से रोक देना कि वो फला फला आमुख व्यक्ति, आमुख जाति, धर्म, जात, लिंग, समुदाय का है, इसी को डिस्क्रिमिनेशन कहते हैं. तो there are different types of discrimination which I am going to tell you. First is gender based discrimination. A girl is not allowed to go to school beyond standard 5 or 6 is an example of discrimination. Similarly, most of the girls are not allowed to select career of their choice, rather they are forced into marriage. In some families, girls are not allowed to wear western dresses, while boys in such families often wear western dresses. This is an example of gender based discrimination. Religion based discrimination. A person does not get a job only because he belongs to a particular religion. A person is not allowed to enter some public places, especially the places of worship, because he or she belongs to another religion. This is known as religion based discrimination. Such type of discrimination is prevailing in India, is still prevailing in India. At some places in India, the people belonging to other religion, from they are not allowed to go to the place of worship of a different religion. जैसे हिंदुओं के मंदिरों में हिंदू छोड़ के मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई को नहीं जाने देना. दिस आर नोन एज द रिलीजन बेस्ड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. जेंडर बेस्ड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, अभी आपने देखा था कि मुंबई में एक दरगाह है, वहाँ पर लेडीज़ को जाना अलाउ नहीं है. व्हाट इज दिस इज जेंडर बेस्ड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. उसको सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सुनवाई हुई और उसके बाद अलाउ किया गया. तो इस तरह के डिस्क्रिमिनेशन जब होते हैं तो इसमें आते हैं. कास्ट बेस्ड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. कास्ट सिस्टम इज़ एन ओल्ड system in India. According to this system, people were kept under different caste. A person from a particular caste was supposed to do only a particular kind of work. For example, a person from Mahar could only engage in cleaning garbage and clearing the carriages from the village. In spite of getting education and developing a skill, people could not change their occupation. Still in villages we can see caste based discrimination as to very high rate, but education day by day, by the work of education, it is getting in low. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar belonged to a Mahar caste. He had suffered various kinds of discrimination right from his childhood. Even today, many people of the untouchable caste suffer different types of discrimination, especially in villages and towns. A person from the untouchable caste is not allowed to enter a temple. He is not allowed to take drinking water from the village well. Still such type of discrimination are going on in villages. Some parts of Odisha we can also see such type of discrimination done by higher caste to lower caste, untouchable caste. Caste system was so deep rooted that it was difficult to come out of the predefined social levels. The son of a potter could only become a potter and nothing else. The son of a cobbler only become a cobbler, nothing else. The task of conducting religious rituals could only be done by Brahmin. A person from so-called lower caste was not allowed to attend the feast being organized by upper caste people. इस तरह की रूढ़िवादिता, इस तरह से गंदा व्यवहार होता रहा है हमारे भारतीय समाज में। अपर कास्ट ने हमेशा लोअर कास्ट को दबाया, उनके साथ गलत व्यवहार किया, मारा पीटा, उनको मंदिरों में नहीं जाने देते थे, पढ़ाई करने नहीं देते थे ये, और इस तरह से वो हमेशा दबे कुचले रहे। आज इंडिया आगे बढ़ गया लेकिन भारत बहुत पीछे छूट गया है। ये डाइवर्सिटी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन लेसन इसीलिए आपको दिया गया है कि आप इसको समझिए कि क्या है ये और किस तरह से हमको इससे आगे निकल के आना है और अपने समाज की बुराइयों को हमें ख़त्म करना है। Striving for equality. Many of our freedom fighters also fought against the caste-based discrimination which was prevalent in India. आज़ादी के समय से ही हम लोग देश एक और अंग्रेजों से लड़ रहा था और दूसरी ओर समाज में स्थापित बुराइयों से भी लड़ रहा था। गांधी जी coined the term Harijan for those who were untouchable caste. He did great deal of work in the removing prejudice from the people's mind. B.R. Ambedkar was another leading figure who fought against the caste-based discrimination. When India became a free nation, the founding father of our nation began the process of building a new nation. Caste-based discrimination was made a crime as per the Constitution. So, dear children, this lesson has been given in your textbook only, not because to get some number. It is to make your knowledge up to date what is going on in the society. That's why it's known as social science. These are the bad things of the society which you have to remove from the society, and you have to not indulge in such activity which may give power to such bad works. You have not, because you are educated, so you are not supposed to discriminate among the people in the name of sex, caste, creed, place of birth, etc. So all Indians are one, and I think I have truly given the true message of this lesson, that stop discrimination and treat others as you want to be treated by others. Thank you very much.